This is the INKBIRD Sous Vide, and what it does is it warms up your water to a constant temperature. You just set it in, and what you can do is you can cook your steaks in it. We love cooking steaks in it especially, and also fish in it. You know how fish can get super dry, where you spend a lot of money on a steak and then you can overcook it and it becomes tough. All you have to do is put your meat in a bag, you tenderize it with some salt and pepper, a little bit of oil, and then you cook it in here for fish generally about 45 minutes, steak for about 2 hours, and you get the most tender fish, always moist, always perfect. And we absolutely love this thing for especially more expensive cuts of fish or steak that you really don't want to mess up when you're cooking and you want it to be perfect. It comes out perfect every time, and you can have gorgeous meals at home. When you're done sous videing the steak or the fish, you can take a steak out and you can pan sear it in a cast iron pan, or you can broil the fish under the broiler just to give it a little bit of browning at the end.